If you're coming off an Oracle ULA, here's the part nobody tells you. Your licenses become capped, but your support bill doesn't. And Oracle will happily charge you full freight for every license you certified, even the ones you don't need anymore. That's why Post-ULA cost management is all about two things: cleaning up your license footprint and rethinking how you handle support. Many companies discover that after certification, their support bill explodes. That's when third-party support becomes a serious option. You keep your perpetual licenses, stay compliant, and often cut support costs in half. And if your ULA certification left you with more entitlements than you actually use, independent support prevents you from paying Oracle's inflated maintenance on unused licenses. Here's your tip: right after ULA exit, run a full usage audit. Identify what's active, what's legacy, and what can move to lower cost support. This alone can prevent six-figure surprises. If you're approaching ULA certification or already exited, reach out. Share your NDA and your support profile. We'll review it and show you the most cost-effective post-ULA support path before Oracle's pricing locks in.